viewers, our today's topic is factorization of quadratic expression, and we work with one variable to factorize the expression. Exercise 3b, page 1111. And now our work with is a into c. First, what we do a. What is a? This a is now your x basically, and this one x square, x and constant. Now what is here? 1 is always here. So now your a is, first we write them on the side. A 1, B 9, C 8. Now a into c is 1 into 8 is equal to 8. Now we make the factor of 8. 1 into 8, 2 into 4, and these are their factor. But we see when we add 2 or 4, they make 6. When we subtract, they make 2. So we need b. When we make the factor and add them or subtract them, we need b in our with its sign. Conclusion. So 1 and 8, we take 1 and 8, here is positive sign, so plus 1 and plus 1 is equal to plus 9. So we take this one and we can write a square plus 8a plus a 1a plus 8. Now take common from here a plus 8 plus 1, a plus 8. Now a plus 1, we take a plus 1 and then a plus 8 is common, and this is our solution. In the same way we multiply. 1 is here, there is nothing written, there is positive 1 exists. So a into c is 1 into 20, because a is our 1, b is minus 9 and c is our plus 20. So a into c is 20. Then factor of 20, 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5. These are the factor of 20. So 20 plus 1, if we add them, we have 21. If we subtract them, we have 19. But our required thing is minus 9. 2 and 10 added 12. 2 and 10 subtracted, then 8. So no. And this one also no. 4 and 5, when we added 9, and when we subtracted minus 1. But 9 is our now negative. We learn in the integer 2 negative sign when added, they will be added but sign remain the same. So minus 4 minus 5 will be minus 9. So this is our required factor. Now I write c square minus 5c minus 4c plus 20. Taking common c from here, c minus 5 minus 4 from here, minus 4 come from here, c stay there, and minus plus minus 4 5s are 20. So we get c minus 4 and c minus 5 is our factorization or factor of this expression. So remember, always a into c multiplied, and then with the factor of them we get the b with its sign. In question number 2, our question is 4r square minus 7r plus 3. The simple our way is a into c, yani 4, a is our now 4, b is minus 7, C is 3. We multiply A into C. 4 into 3, we get 12. We make the factor of 12s. One into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. We know when we add 12 and 1, 13, subtract 11. No. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. No. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 4, 7, and we need 7 here. So minus 3 and minus 4. Minus minus plus. When minus minus multiplied, they give us the plus 12. Plus 12. Minus minus give us the plus 12, and minus minus, when we add them, sign is negative, but numbers are added. So we write here 4r square minus 4r minus 3r plus 3. Taking common from here, 4r, r minus 1, minus 3 common from here, r minus plus minus 3 ones are 3. So 4r minus 3 and r minus 1 is our answer. Now in this question, F part, A into C is, A is our 6, B is our plus 19, but C is our minus 20. We multiply A into C. So 6 into minus 20 are multiplied. Answer is minus 120. We need minus 120. When we make the factor, simply we make the factor of 120, but our this one sign will be positive and this is negative. So we make the factor of 120. 120's factors are 1 into 120, 2 into 60, 3 into 40, 5 into 24, 6 into 20, 8 into 15, 8 into 15, and 10 into 12. So we add them, so then we get or subtract them. We need this B1. B is should be our answer. But now we 60 and 2. What we give? No, no, no. But if I write 5 into 24 minus 5 plus 24, they will be subtracted and give us the answer. So we choose from all of them. We erase all of them, and our minus 5 multiply plus 24. When we multiply them, we get minus plus minus 120 and plus 19. So these are our factors. Now we put our factors here. 6t square plus 24t minus 5t minus 20. Now taking common 6 from here, because 24 is in the table of 6. 6t we take common from here. T plus 6 4s are 24 minus 5 taking common. T minus minus plus 5 4s are 20. So our factors are 6t minus 5. First we write and then we write t plus 4 are our solution, and in the same way we do the whole exercise. Thank you.